I'm about to save you so much money today. In fact, after this video, you are going to be running to Dollar Tree and telling your friends and family, hey, go to Dollar Tree, check this out, look what I found. And especially number 8, I've never seen this item before, let alone in a Dollar Tree. Or shall we say the $1.25 store. And your home is going to be cleaner than ever. And if you love healthy, tasty snack options, I have you covered. Oxidol. If you've been here a hot minute, you know I'm quite a queen when it comes to treating stains with 4 small children. We have all kinds of stains. So I want to test this out on some white canvas tennies, a grease stain on my husband's shorts, a dish towel with some coffee on it, at least I think it's coffee, and then some really dirty white socks, which I would typically bleach, but I wanted to see how Oxidol stands up to the test of the rest. Normally I would use Shout or OxiClean. Those are tried and true. I've been using them for years and years and years, but if I can save myself some money, heck to the yes. And you too. When I pre-treat, I like to let it sit for about an hour or so on the designated area. And then I just wash everything as I normally would. And when it comes to smell, I'm a little disappointed. It doesn't really smell like anything. So if you are smell averse, then this product is definitely for you. I love all the smells, however, this is not going to deter me from using it. I think I probably just singed all my nose hairs over the years of excessive cleaning. Or smelling of cleaning products, that is. Sadly, that might be the truth. I love all the smells. Just pulled these out of the washing machine, and I have to say, I am pretty impressed. Regarding the grease stain, it's better, but I can still see it. I don't think my Oxy or Shout would have done better on this. What I really need is something specific for grease removal, but everything else looks awesome. And I'm not seeing the coffee stain here on the towel. The sock, I mean, it's okay. Typically I would bleach these. Better, not perfect, but again, there was a lot on there. So at this point, me and Oxidol, well, we're BFFs. You know I love my OxiClean, so when I saw the mini pen version, I was like, hallelujah. I want to put this to the test for you so that you can see in action. My son came to me this morning, Mom, I got chocolate all over my pajamas. At least we think it is chocolate. No, it's definitely chocolate. Don't worry, son, I got you covered. So all you do is just do a little dab-a-rooney on your stain. I like to pat it with some paper towel to see if I can get in any of the excess stain out. Man, that is a mouthful. And then I just keep repeating this until the stain is practically gone. Now you can see here from the before and afters that the little OxiClean pen did a nice job. Everything's gonna wash up perfectly after I throw it in the washing machine and dry it up. So if you are on the go and you've spilled something on yourself, chocolate is a hard one to get out, by the way. Coffee, you name it, this is gonna be your go-to option, and it's smaller, so it easily fits inside of a purse. You could even put it in a pocket. You could put it in your car. In fact, I'm gonna keep this one in my car because, you know, you're going someplace nice, or you're going to church, you're going to a party, you're going somewhere and you spill something and you're like, oh, I just got dressed. Look at how fancy I am today. This never happens, world. And then all you notice the entire time you're at your event is the stain on your outfit, but not anymore. Hey, are you subscribed to the channel? If not, make sure that you hit that subscribe button down below. I would love for you to join our super fun community. And if you're enjoying this, be sure to share it out with a friend. And give this video a big thumbs up so that I can reach more people. You know I love my Downy Wrinkle Release Spray. The crisp linen just smells, oh so good. I use it every single day around my house. Not only does it release wrinkles, but it also freshens everything up. Well, when I saw this Home Bright Wrinkle Away Spray, I thought, well, let's just see. Eliminates odors and refreshes, and I have to say the smell, I like the smell. I do like that. Every morning when I'm making my bed, I like to spray down the top of the comforter where it tends to get pretty wrinkly because it's just like thrown about the bottom of the bed throughout the night, and it nicely releases those wrinkles without you having to get a steamer out or an iron, and I'm not about to be doing that every day when I make my bed. Spray it on, give the fabric a little tug. By the way, you can use this on clothing, shirts, t-shirts, anything that you want the wrinkles released and you want freshened up. Now, is this gonna work as perfect as a steamer or an iron? No, it's not. It's not hot like that, but it does work very nicely. I just gave my husband's gym bag a little squirt, 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 and it smells oh so fresh and nice. By the way, Dollar Tree has not sponsored this video or has told me to say anything about any of these products. These are just my honest opinions, and I'm sharing them with you. I also love using this around my house when it comes to your throw pillows. They can tend to collect a lot of dust. They start to accumulate odors and smells from your home and people laying them or being on the floor or tossed here, there, and everywhere. But not anymore. this is great. When I saw these peppermint sage wipes, I was like, ooh, let me give it a try. Now I have used the spray in the past. Now I will say this, I don't love the smell. If you like mild scents, then this is definitely for you, this peppermint sage, but it's not my favorite. Double-sized wipes for big cleaning jobs. Well, I like that. These are almost as big as my face. Here's the true test. Do these wipes streak? Now, don't get me wrong, I love these, especially around the fall time, and that's why I buy them. But my friend, they leave streaks and they do smear. But if I really want my counters to shine and I have streaks on them, this is not gonna do the job. And why do I know that? Because I've tried maybe hundreds of products when it comes to cleaning countertops. And my countertops get real nasty with 4 kids in the morning and hairspray, because I do my daughter's hair right in the kitchen while they're eating breakfast. It's super convenient, just pull out all my hair stuff, but it gets really gunky. So I need something that is, 1, not going to cause damage to my countertops, but 2, it's gonna effectively remove the hairspray and all the sticky, gooey chocolate things that probably are on there. And I have to say, these wipes did a very nice job, and they did not leave any streaks. They were able to remove the hairspray, the gooey, sticky stuff that was on my countertops, some watermarks. So these are a thumbs up in my opinion, even though the smell is not my favorite. How about these round ice molds? Now, my husband has bought larger ones from Target if he wants to have mixed drinks, or if he has friends over that like to have these fancy ice cubes. But they're not just for mixed drinks, they're for anything. I got a little trick for you here in just a second. All you do is just open them up, fill them up with water, put them in your freezer, and mine took a couple hours to freeze. Pull them out, and then you lift the lids, and they were relatively easy to get out of there. And I have to say, they are so stinking cute. They just elevate any drink that you're having, make it a little bit fancier, but also cool it at the same time. I also love that there's 4 little legs at the bottom of the round ice ball. That way they're not rolling around in your freezer, or if you do need to set them on your countertop while you're preparing something, they're going to stay put. Here's a really cute Halloween inspired idea. Maybe you want to make a fancy punch, a ghoul inspired punch. These could serve as your eyeballs for the punch. What'd you just say about the balls? We got to get this on camera because he uses the balls all the time for adult beverages. Not all the time.
These balls look better.
But how do they compare to the Target ones?
The Target ones crack and fall apart, and they just don't look as nice.
Oh, there we go. How about this luxury carpet freshener? Yep, that's the name, luxury carpet freshener. I also anticipated the smell being overpowering. The package says to leave it on your carpet for 5 minutes. I tend to leave carpet fresheners on for about 10 to 15 and then vacuum them up. Now, when I opened the bag, I have to say I was pleasantly surprised with the smell. I took a few wafts, and then the more I smelt it, the more I liked it. I would definitely repurchase this. I like this, but this is just a nice elevated scent in your home, and it's not too overpowering. I can't even with these laundry detergents sheets. There's just so much I can say about these. I was not anticipating liking these. Again, I thought they would have a disgusting smell to them, but I'm actually very obsessed with the smell, and I do like these. Can I just say, these smell so good. But what I actually do is I just open this up, and then I'll fold them like this, and I'll just put them in here just like I would do a laundry pod, and I find that it works so much better. The water runs through here, and then it evenly distributes all over the clothing. Now, I have purchased the #1 bestseller laundry sheet on Amazon, which is the Earth Breeze. You're gonna save yourself a heck of a lot more money with these. So yes, I would definitely buy this over more expensive alternatives. And #8, stretch silicone seals. I have seen everything silicone when it comes to cleaning and related things in your home, but I had not seen these before. I'm excited about these. These are better for the environment. They work nicely. They are like sticky. They just stick, they cling, they stick to itself. They also wrap nicely around bowls. Now, I will say they are not airtight. So if I had to rate these 2 things, I would choose these silicone lids over plastic wrap any day. Plus, it's better for the environment, and you save yourself more money in the long run. And in fact, you can find similar lids on Amazon for about $17.99. No, thank you. I'll take $1.25. And think of all the space that you save with these silicone lids rather than all the plastic lids that you have to store and organize in your home. It gets me excited. Like, saving space to me is like saving money. Like, woo, yee. #9, you know I hate my garbage disposal. They come in every home. I try not to put any food down there, but whatever. It is what it is. We have one. We got to clean it and make it smell nice. So I put this one to the test, and I have to say it worked just as well as the #1 bestseller on Amazon. In fact, if it didn't come in the packaging, I would not have known the difference difference. They smell the same, they look the same, the blue foam is the same, like everything about it's identical in my opinion. And if you buy the Dollar Tree version, you're gonna save yourself a ton more money. And before we move into the last item, if you're not following me on Instagram, make sure that you do. Andrea Jean Cleaning, linked in the description box below and pinned in that comment section, especially Instagram stories, because I will post #1 bestsellers, limited time deals, fun things that I do with my family of 6, and sneak peeks of fun things to come. And number 10, this multi-purpose mop head is what it's designated as. Now, I would not use this as a mop head. This thing is so thin, like this is gonna get tore up like within a couple strokes. But where I will use this ongoing are on my walls, in my windows, and my baseboards. This pad comes off, and then you can just move it up or down depending upon what you need to do and what kind of task or job that you have. So you have like go-go gadget, able to clean anything and everything around your home. But again, this pad is just so thin. I think it works way better as a dusting solution. And you could even use this for windows. Look at this right here. Yes, honey. I love this. Let me know in that comments box below what you would use this for. If you haven't, make sure that you sign up for the free newsletter linked in that description box below. And my friend, we've got to keep the fun going. So if you love all things cleaning and home hacks, click this video on screen now. Thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you, my friend, in the next one.